May I ask you, my festival being a history-based? Kind of pig from China. So, you're back. So there. So now you have something to base on, a foundation, a historical account to base your reason as to why you dance with the image of the Santo Niño. Swings. See? So history. Look into the history, not only local history as in chronological history, what happened, history of the church, history of people, history of your leaders. See? There is so much in the past that you can look into. But be very careful because a lot and many of the municipalities today, local government units, fall prey to what you call the HDPs, the Historical Data Papers. The Historical Data Papers were the result of a project by then Ministry of Education head Alejandro Roses back in the 50s, where he asked the Ministry of Education, particularly the teachers, the educators, to come up with their own local history. Di ba lahat may kanta? Kahapon lamang. O di ba, sino kumanta dyan? Sino ganyan kanta sila? Ha? Di siya kilino si Uy, ito siya singer. Kahapon lamang, sino ganina? Pilita? Sharon Cugita? Alad! Claire de la Fuente? Kahapon lamang Sharon, no? Okay, sige. Sharonian ka. Sige. Authority. Sharonian yan eh. Oh. So, follow every rainbow till you find your dream. Julie Andrews, Pilita Corrales. So when we still have the energy and the knees and the cartilage and the collagen to walk up the mountains, walk with faith in your hearts, pumunta kami sa bukid. Nagkanto kami ito sa bukid. Ay my God, so nakita namin ang siloy. All black. Obviously, kay black siya. Hindi siya ma-red, hindi siya ma-yellow. Kay black siya, magigyan. Di ba? May black pa nga siya, mga ma-red, ma-orange. So, we wanted to do research and understand the movements of the bird so that we can come up with a dance. So meaning to say, mimete.